A particularly memorable experience was when I relocated across the country to pursue a graduate degree. The sheer logistics of the move were daunting, sorting through years of accumulated possessions and coordinating a cross-continental shipment, but the emotional weight of leaving my established support system was even more significant. Throughout the process, I fluctuated between a sense of profound nostalgia for my old neighborhood and an invigorating anticipation for the academic journey ahead. When I finally arrived at my new residence, a charming heritage house in a vibrant university district, I was immediately struck by the architectural contrast to my previous home. The first few weeks were a whirlwind of unpacking and acclimating to a much faster-paced urban lifestyle. What made the experience truly unforgettable was the realization of how quickly a foreign space can transform into a sanctuary. As I arranged my books and hung familiar photos, the house began to reflect my identity. Ultimately, that move wasn't just about changing my physical address. It was a transformative period of self-discovery that forced me to build a new life from the ground up, fostering a level of resilience I hadn't known I possessed.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the co-founder and tutor at TestPass Online School. I am a certified CELPIP instructor and have already trained more than 100 students to help them reach their target scores. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to push forward with your preparation. If you're ready to take the next step, head over to our website, testpass.ca, and book a free 30-minute consultation. During our call, I'll help you figure out your specific goals and create a plan for our classes. Plus, when you start studying with me, you can save over $300 on your prep journey. Let's begin this journey of improvement and practice together so you can pass the CELPIP at whatever level you need. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.